Hello, it's Shreya Dharmatma and I'm going to make chocolate balls. So, for this, we need Oreo biscuit, desiccated coconut and milk. We will blend the Oreo biscuit and make its powder. Now the powder is ready. Now we will add milk and make up dough, a tough dough. Mix well and make a perfect tough dough. Take some oil, butter or something in your hand and rub it in your palm. And take some of the dough and start to make a perfect roll. Make it. And then using a knife, cut the doughs whichever size you want. It depends upon you, the size you want. This way we have to cut. Now, take one of it. This way we have to do. So next step is of coconut. So now we have taken desiccated coconut, add milk. Mix it well till it can be binded. It should be mixed well. You can use your hands. So now take one of it, make its ball. Add a hole in it and then add some of desiccated coconut mixture. Add and put your finger inside it and make balls using like this only. This way I have rolled it. So chocolate balls can be made in this way only. It is completely option using white chocolate sauce. You can decorate it. It's completely optional. The way you want, you can decor it. So chocolate balls are ready. Thank you.